Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. That's right. Someone went from having bad credit to having 15,000 in available credit. That's right. Check this out right now. Brandon, I can't thank you enough. This DIY program helped me out, all right? You can get the DIY program at 609creditrepair.com and get that Beyond Commitment package. Got all the videos, the letters, the system will walk you through the process, or we can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. All right. So I went from bad credit to having 15,000 in available credit cards, all right? Now I'm helping my spouse establish credit, okay? So this individual had no credit, and they had bad credit. Now they're at 15,000 with available credit. Their spouse had no credit as well, and so they are adding them on as authorized user, okay? So what is the best way to build credit? I did add one of these self.inc accounts to self and added this person onto my credit, added my spouse onto my credit and built up credit. Now he does have a 600 credit score, okay? So this individual was able to get their negative, nasty, erroneous items off of there, get good positive history, able to use that good positive history for their spouse, adding them on as AU, getting a self.inc account, now has a 600 credit score for the spouse, has a great credit score for themselves. They're building. This individual was able to remove a repossession and collections, negative, nasty, erroneous items. You could do the same. Now, how do you want to continue building here? Well, this individual has a 600 credit score. This individual has some AUs. This individual has a secure loan with self.inc. It's time for some primary credit cards in that person's name, some primary trade lines, some primary stuff, right? So this is a situation where you want to start looking at those beginning entry, no annual fee cards, right? Capital One has a platinum card, okay? Citi has some no annual fee cards, okay? These types of credit cards are going to help start building. Now, using 3 revolving credit cards is going to be big. So they might have AUs, they might have self.inc, but looking for those 3 primary credit cards, those 3 primary trade lines in that person's name, and using them and paying them off every month is going to be huge. Okay, so even starting with these no fee, and the reason I say these no annual fee cards is because you want to be able to keep them forever and ever and ever, not have to worry about annual fees, because perhaps you're not going to use them for years and years and years and years. As your credit builds, 650, 660, then you might add a couple of other ones that are maybe a little bit more cash back, maybe a little bit more, getting you some type of reward points back. So you might start using those. Then you're up in the 720, 760s. And now you're like, hey, I want these big travel miles, these big cashback cards, these business credit lines. So you're going to potentially graduate. So those no annual fee cards are great because you can leave them there forever. And they're great positive history for your credit. All right. 609creditrepair.com. We can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. Please give the video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe, try button. And until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.